In this video, we are going to show how you can create a new Axe API project. First, you need to install the Axe Magic tool via the npm package manager. You can check the version of the Axe Magic. Now you can create a new project by selecting a name. Just pass the name to the Axe Magic. You can see all folders and files when you open your project with your favorite editor. The next step is installing the dependencies. You should use the npm install command to do that. Then you are ready to run your first Axe API project. Just execute the npm run start dev command in your terminal. You can see the default Axe API response if you send a simple request to your API. The API is ready on port 3000. Congratulations! You've just created a new Axe API project.